Okay, so yes, we were discussing carbohydrate. I just want to give a little overview. Carbohydrate simply means sugar, saccharum, and the saccharide. Okay, this was made up of C6H12O6. Here would be CH, which is glucose. So carbohydrates is simply glucose, whereas the ratio was 1:1:2. Okay, this was the ratio which you find 1:2. I just erased by mistaken. So this carbohydrate is also known as polyhydroxycarbonyl compound. Carbonyl here is a functional group which is consists of aldehyde and ketone. So these both are these carbonyl compound. And very important point that these both could never be placed together. If you'll see aldehyde, so you won't see ketone in that chain, but if you see ketone, you won't see aldehyde. Okay, so we can say that these both together are never being used, whereas this is known as sugar, saccharum, and the saccharide. The monomer, oh god, I could not write it. The monomer of carbohydrates, monomer of carbohydrate is monosaccharide. Okay, which color is this color? So monosaccharide is simply like this. Okay, when this will make a little big chain, you'll find oligosaccharide. Oligosaccharide, this oligo, so you'll find 1 2 3, a little longer chain that the monosaccharide. When this will combine and they will make a bigger chain, that would be known as polysaccharide. So we can say these are the classification of carbohydrates. These are the classification of carbohydrates from here. These are the classification of carbohydrates. They are classified in three, like N3 structure, and these all, and that is mono, poly, and disaccharide, which was very important. And if we just discuss what exactly is the difference, which we'll do in the next video. Here, as we just told you, I will start in this video, but I don't think we have much time. Here you will see sugar. Sugar, you might have heard that the potatoes are rich in carbohydrates. Why? Because potatoes are rich in carbohydrate because they are carbohydrate. As I just told you, carbohydrates are sugar. So we can say that the potatoes are potatoes are sugar. Not wait, sorry. We can say that the potatoes are rich in carbohydrates. So we can say that the carbohydrates are rich in what? Potatoes are rich in carbohydrates. Wait, a little confusion I had. Sorry, now let's start. So you will find that not every carbohydrate is sweet. This is important. Not every carbohydrate is sweet. Not every carbohydrate is sweet. Okay, but major carbohydrates are sweet. This is a confusing question. You might be thinking. That's why I just get myself confused. This you will see. I'm just explaining again. You will see major carbohydrate which will be sweet, no doubt. Major, like this means we can give a percentage that will be 70%, but we cannot say that all carbohydrates are sweet, whereas you will find some which will be not sweet. Okay, which will be not sweet. So we can say these both statements are true. We can say that not all carbohydrates are sweet. Okay, so if we just make a simple carbohydrate chain. A major carbohydrate chain which would be like this. There would be carbon. Wait, let me explain you aldehyde and ketone chain first. Wherever you see the word aldehyde, here you'll see ketone. Ketone would be R, which is variable. Here you will see carbon, which would be attached with double bond oxygen. Here you will see one more thing, that is R. So R here is a variable. We can attach anything with R. So we just call this as a variable, or this is a radial group, by the way. This aldehyde is here carbon, which will be attached with two oxygen bond. Here will be one hydrogen, and downward you will see